Hey, it's Julie Ziemlis, 365 Hawaii, 365 Hawaii Group, Real Broker, and this is our newest listing. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo. Hey, come on, take a look. This, as you're walking through this beautiful flooring, it actually follows all the way out here to the lanai. And you can see what a beautiful view this is. And the experience, as said by people who have actually written in this guest book, let me tell you. Lanai was great for our daily coffee and mornings. The heated pool is awesome. We swim almost every day. Early morning coffee in Lanai was so relaxing. We will miss this beautiful place. And so many opportunities to see how awesome this place is to stay. So let's take a look at the rest of the house. Beautiful living room. And let's talk about the kitchen. One of the reasons many people choose to live or stay in a condo during their vacation is so they can cook. This kitchen is not only beautiful, recently renovated in 2017 with beautiful countertops that are granite and these beautiful glass tiles, but everything has been thoughtfully appointed for anything that you need. This house comes with everything. It's fully furnished, all ready to go, turnkey. Let's take a look at the bedroom. So you come over here, past your washing machine and dryer, and you come into the bedroom, and it's totally cute. I can't guarantee that the orange juice might be setting up for you, but here you are. We also have a nice closet here. The closet's big enough so if you do stay here for long periods of time, there's plenty of space, very spacious space. And also we have the bathroom, which is a tub and shower enclosure, and look at that tile. It is really luxurious. Some people wonder, is it going to have air conditioning? Well, there is a standalone unit in the bedroom right now, but this condo has an ability to have split air conditioning already approved by the condo management. So you can add that yourself. Also, again, this place has been completely renovated in 2017 and the HOA fees are pretty low. They're only $715 and that includes an amazing pool, which we'll show you, which is heated saltwater oceanfront. Let's go. As commented in the remarks of people who've stayed here, they love coming out here and swimming in the morning because it is a heated pool. And also we've been out here at sunset, and coming out here and watching the water against the sun setting is just magical. And it's one of those reasons why you'd want to say, yes, I live in Kona. One of the best amenities about, of course, coming to Kona is being able to have fresh fish and be able to grill it yourself while looking at the ocean right in front of you. Hey, so one of the best things about this complex is Oceanfront. From here, you can actually walk to Kailua Village for all your dining, shopping, and entertainment needs. And it's a really safe and quiet area. So welcome to the ocean. If you'd like more information about this beautiful condo and the financials, and this is a successful STVR, give us a call. We'll give you some more information and we can actually do a tour with you visually or bring you in. So let us know, and I hope to see you. Aloha.